Ladies and gentlemen, under the motion, this House believes that scholarship should only be granted on the basis of financial necessity. As the government side of the House, we define scholarship as in financial support given to the student based on their in this case is financial need for the purpose of schooling. Only be granted here means that scholarship will be given based on the student financial necessity. And what is financial necessity? The student that qualify for financial need or financial necessity scholarship based on their family income and how much they can pay for the fee of the school. As the government side of the House, I believe that our proposal is reasonable and justifiable because of the current status quo. The status quo right now is scholarship can be granted based on the student academic achievement or other criteria that the school give, including financial necessity. As the government side of the House, we would like to change this system into giving scholarship only to the students that are low in financial or based on their financial need. Why so? Because by focusing the scholarship to the student based on their financial need can help the student who have potential that can be developed by learning at school to actually learn at school despite how their family is low in financial. As the government side of the House, our goal is to help the students who have the potential that are useful in the future and to improve their quality of life. To achieve my goal, this is the mechanism that I offer. First, we should determine which student that really need the financial support. We will count the student's family income and how much they actually can pay. We will also look into the student who have the bigger chance to study more seriously and to develop to their maximum potential. As the government side of the House, we will also raise more money to help cover the fund for financial need scholarship. Under this motion, we will prove it to you why we should only grant scholarship based on the financial need of the student. As the government side of the House, we believe that our proposal is more effective for helping the student who can attend school the chance to actually learn at school to develop their potential to the maximum level. Because not just anyone who can get this scholarship. We prioritize more on the student who have the biggest and the bigger chance. So, by making this system work, we can help them to learn at school because these days, education is super important, especially in the future of the student, which is world of work. To get the work that can give them the minimum standard payment, the highest school that you finish on is the most important thing. Because the student who come from low income community doesn't mean that they can't attend school, which will be very useful for them in the future. That's why, as the government side of the House, we believe that by making scholarship to be more focused on financial needs students can give them the chance to develop their potential to the maximum level. And this is my second argument. As the government side of the House, we also believe that our proposal is more effective to improve the students' quality of life. By giving the student chance to get the education that they can use in the future that will be useful for them, it will eventually help them to improve their life quality. Why so? Because by attending school that are some lesson that we only can get from school that can't be taught anywhere else. Like at school, they teach their student to think more critical so that it will help them to solve the problem in their everyday life or even bigger problem that they will face in the future. By giving them the chance to get the education that really important for them, not only we can improve the level of educated people in this country, the innovation and productivity also improve, but we also can improve their life quality. That's the most important thing. That's all from me from the government side of the house. Thank you.